What's going on today, guys? Back here working on the Eclipse. Got a pretty simple project for today. Been having some idle issues, and sometimes to resolve that you can just clean your idle air control valve, and that's what we're going to try to do today. It's pretty easy. Just want to unhook your battery and take off the intake, and it should be located right underneath the throttle body. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Before you do anything to your car, always disconnect the battery. We're actually going to pull it out for more room today. We're going to come over here and remove one of these clamps so we get this intake out of the way. Loosen that guy up. Wiggle free. That. And your idle air control valve right there. It's 2 bolts. It should come right out. It should be 8mm. Here she is. It's your IAC. What we're going to do is try to clean it, make sure it's not plugged up or anything. Use some of this stuff. Just got to make sure you don't get it on the sensor. You just want to clean the shaft in this side. Also going to take the O-ring off there for now. Be sure to put it back. So we found out some bad news. We tested the IAC after cleaning it, and it's dead. It doesn't do anything, so it's a bad IAC valve. I was going to go ahead and show you real quick what we do to test it. And that's hook up your battery back. Plug it back in. Have someone in the car, have them turn on the key. Unkey. Didn't do anything. Shut off. Turn the key back on. It doesn't do anything. Off. If it was a good valve, it would have vibrated and moved a little bit. And since it didn't vibrate, move, or do anything, we know it's bad. So we're gonna have to come back to you tomorrow when we get the new valve. O'Reilly's couldn't get it today. We'll have it by 9 a.m. tomorrow. We'll put the new one back on. So back day 2. Got the new IAC valve. Looks about right. We're gonna plug it in and give it a test. Turn it off. There's the new sensor right there. Put the 2 bolts back on. Plug her in. this guy back in. Put the intake back on, we should be good to go. Now that everything's all hooked up and back together, there is an ECU relearn that you got to do. And what you want to do is you just want to turn the car on, leave it in the on position without starting it for 2 minutes, turn the key off for 10 seconds, start the car, let it idle for 10 minutes, turn it off for 10 seconds again, and then turn the car on and drive it for about 30 minutes or so. Take it easy, real nice cruise. Turn the car for 10 seconds and you should be good. You just turn the car on and give it hell. We're sitting here letting it idle, letting it relearn. So far it seems pretty good. It's definitely a lot better than it was. We'll see how it does once I turn the AC and all that shit on. That's when it was giving me problems. Every time I turned the air on, it would almost die. The reason why it's idling kind of lopey right now is because I found that it actually does have cams in it. So I guess that's pretty cool. But sitting here for 10 minutes idling, sure my neighbors love me. It's 7:30 and people are trying to eat dinner and all they hear is blah, 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 blah. Rice are out there loping in the driveway. But whatever. Fuck 'em. Did the IAC valve is because every time I had my AC on and I'd come to a stop, the car would want to die or would die. It would not hold idle. So I figured we'll start with the IAC and maybe that was the culprit. And it seemed to have done the trick. The AC's on, coming to a stop. And it stays running. I see the idle does dip down a little bit. But I think once the computer has time to relearn everything, it should be fine. So hopefully we fixed it. So if you have any similar symptoms, maybe when your accessories are on, you're having problems idling or coming to a stop and the car would shut off, check your idle air control valve. Maybe try to clean it first, test it, and then if in doubt, go ahead and get a new one. It was 40 bucks. Picked up from O'Reilly's next day. Even for 40 bucks, probably wouldn't hurt just to get one anyways if you've never replaced it. I mean, they don't last forever, and these cars are getting old, so. I guess that's it. Seems to be fixed. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.